So you remember Dirty Frag, the Linux kernel bug I covered a few days ago? Well, researchers just found a new one, and here's the kicker. It's related to one of the patches that was supposed to fix Dirty Frag. So here's the best way I can explain it. Think of the kernel like plumbing. You find a leak and you patch it, but the pressure change from that patch causes a weak spot somewhere else in the pipes to fail. The weak spot was probably always there. The patch just made it more noticeable. That is essentially what happened here. Fixing Dirty Frag changed how the kernel handles certain operations, and that change exposed a pre-existing weakness in the neighboring part of the code. It didn't create a brand new problem from nothing, it just made an existing one reachable in an entirely new way, and that is called Fragnesia. So Fragnesia was discovered by researchers at Wiz and was published yesterday. Like copyfail and Dirty Frag before it, Fragnesia lets any unprivileged user on a Linux system get root access. Full control of the machine with no special permissions needed to start. And the technical details are a bit different from Dirty Frag, but the end result is the same. You get root, it leaves no trace on disk, and it just works. So I'm not going to go too deep into the technical weeds on this one. If you want the full breakdown, the Wiz blog post is linked in the description, and it's really well written. But we've covered a bunch of these videos, and I do want to talk about how I feel about all of this, and I understand why this happens. When you're in the middle of a security crisis and trying to patch things fast, sometimes fixing one thing breaks something else, and that's just the reality of working on complex software under pressure, and I get that. But the people out there actively exploiting these bugs, groups like TeamPCP, I think they genuinely suck. The open source community builds this stuff for everyone, and it's free, and it powers the internet. And these groups are out there deliberately weaponizing it for their own gain. It's been frustrating for a while, and it's getting more frustrating. And again, the people doing this to exploit the open source community suck, and I think that part is worth saying out loud. But there is some good news, I guess. If you already applied the Dirty Frag mitigation from a previous video, you're covered for Fragnesia as well, as far as I can tell. The same commands that disable ESP4 and ESP6 and RxRPC take care of this one as well. That said, if you haven't run that mitigation yet, you should probably run it now, and I'll have a link to that in the video description so you can jump to it quickly and easily. And be sure to keep an eye out for patches for your distribution and apply them, and I'll try to keep an eye out for patch availability and update the pinned comment when that happens if I happen to catch when that news releases. So we've got 3 Linux kernel privilege escalation bugs in about 2 weeks with copyfail, Dirty Frag, and now Fragnesia. So the question, of course, is this a pattern? Probably. Researchers are specifically looking for this class of vulnerability now, and they're finding things. And that's actually the security process working the way it should. It just doesn't feel great when you keep seeing these things happen over and over and over. Again, apply the mitigations if you haven't. Keep an eye out for updates for your Linux release, and I'll keep covering these things as they develop. But with that said, I'm going to wrap this up. I want to thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me here today, and I'll talk to you in the next video.